You are about to enter the story scroll, where every tale unfolds like a secret whispered in the dark. Ready to unravel the mystery? Let's go. For decades, a mysterious object has orbited the Earth, the Black Knight satellite. But is it alien technology or just space junk? Reports of the Black Knight date back to the early 20th century. According to legend, Nikola Tesla detected strange signals in his lab. Was it a UFO? The story goes that while working on his radio equipment, Tesla picked up a peculiar transmission. It wasn't like anything he'd heard before, which was strange considering he'd spent years perfecting his invention. So, what could it be? Some believe it was the Black Knight. This mysterious satellite is said to have sent Tesla a message from space. But how could he have received it? According to conspiracy theories, Tesla was actually picking up radio waves beamed from the satellite itself. Or were these signals something else entirely? Regardless, it would take several decades before anyone had photographic evidence of the object. So, what does the satellite look like? Well, that's where things get a little strange. According to those who believe in the Black Knight, it doesn't look like any man-made object. In fact, it looks more like a giant sphere. Some say it's an alien probe that's been monitoring human activity for centuries. But what's really interesting is how people first became aware of the object. Apparently, it was spotted by accident. While taking photos of Earth's atmosphere in the 1950s, astronomers captured a mysterious object orbiting our planet. The photo was never supposed to be taken. It was purely accidental. Yet what they saw was shocking. What they believed to be a satellite was much larger than any spacecraft at the time. And it didn't look like any known satellite either. So what could it be? Well, some believe it's the Black Knight. From that point on, the image only fueled conspiracy theories. If the Black Knight is a satellite, then why hasn't NASA explained it? The space agency has attempted to do so, but their explanation isn't very satisfying. They claim the object is nothing more than space debris. More specifically, it's a lost thermal blanket. But if that's true, why does it look like a perfect sphere? Apparently, the blanket was blown around by the wind, creating a round shape. But that's just a theory. And after all, thermal blankets don't orbit the planet. They fall back to Earth. So what could the truth be? According to those who believe in the satellite, it's been up there for 13,000 years. And that's not a mistake. It's no accident. Instead, it's proof that we're being watched. Some believe that the satellite is proof of an ancient civilization. A civilization so advanced that it's beyond our understanding. Of course, there are other theories. Some believe that the Black Knight is an alien probe that's been sent to monitor human activity. After all, we know that aliens exist. We just haven't made contact yet. So what if the feeling is mutual? What if aliens have been observing us for centuries? But here's the thing, space is really big. I mean, seriously, it's massive. So why would a satellite be orbiting our planet in the first place? Well, it's simple. Earth is special. We're the only planet in the universe that we know of with life. So it makes sense that aliens would want to study us. But why now? Well, some believe that the aliens are preparing for invasion. Others say they're simply curious about human behavior. Maybe they just want to know what we're like. But one thing's for sure, they've been watching us for a long time. So is the Black Knight a satellite or just space junk? Well, that's up to you to decide. But one thing's for certain, space is full of mysteries, and some of them might be orbiting right above your head. If the story gripped you, subscribe. The scroll never ends.